Welcome to Xometry Teamspace. In this video, you'll learn what Teamspace is, its features, team roles, and some tips to help you leverage it. Let's get started. Teamspace expands Xometry's instant quoting, ordering, and sharing experience by giving you a unified space to collaborate with others. With Teamspace, you and others can easily share and view project details with colleagues, purchasers, and other collaborators, simplifying your project management through Xometry's platform. You can start using Teamspace by accepting an email invitation sent by a team admin, or by starting your own team by visiting your account settings page, clicking the Create a New Team button, and following the prompts. Ultimately, Teamspace simplifies and streamlines collaborative work within Xometry's platform. Let's dive deeper into the features so you can learn how to leverage it for yourself. Let's begin with the team dashboard. Every team will have its own team dashboard. This central hub displays information associated with shared quotes and orders among all team members. The team dashboard enables you to do things such as view shared quotes, place orders on each other's behalf, check order and line item statuses, find tracking information, export quotes and order tables to CSVs, and more. When joining a team for the first time, you may be asked if you'd like to share your quote and order history. Doing so will bring all your previous quotes and orders into the team dashboard view. You can click the Auto Share My New Quotes toggle if you want to do this later. The Auto Share toggle is a set it and forget it feature that, when enabled, will automatically share newly generated quotes with the team. If you prefer to share specific projects, you can visit your personal quote or order history pages under your account. You can make multiple selections on these pages and share the selected items all in one action with the Share button. Select the corresponding team from the drop-down, or type the team name to find it. Back on the dashboard, you'll see a summary of team activity, including recent quotes, and a list of your team members. Clicking the Start a New Team Quote button will open the Part Upload interface for you to start a quote, which will automatically be shared with the team. Remember that quotes made outside the team dashboard, such as on your personal dashboard, will not be automatically shared unless auto-sharing is enabled. When you are finished configuring a quote shared with a team, you can tag it for review, approval, or ready for ordering via the Mark Your Quote drop-down menu on the quote summary screen. This tag will be displayed on the team dashboard under the Team Quotes table. Tagging simplifies your review and ordering processes, highlighting the quotes requiring attention from others, such as the buyers responsible for placing orders in your organization. Now that we've covered Teamspace and its main features, let's look at roles and how they affect team management. Your assigned role is the primary driver of your ability to manage your teams. There are two types of roles available: admins and contributors. If you are the team creator, you are assigned the admin role by default. On the other hand, if you join a team through an invitation, you will be assigned the contributor role. Admins can access all of the same features and actions as a contributor. However, they also have access to additional team management features. This includes inviting or removing team members, viewing or canceling pending invitations, designating roles, and deactivating, reactivating, or renaming a team. To access your team settings and management options, click the Manage Team button next to the team members list on the dashboard. Alternatively, you can see all the teams you are a part of and access their settings by visiting the Teams panel on your account settings page. An admin can rename or deactivate a team by clicking the three dots on the Team Name panel. Note that deactivating a team will not remove any information associated with teams, such as active quotes or orders. It simply hides the team from view and can be reactivated later if desired. Admins can remove users or change their roles by checking the box next to their name on the team members list. then selecting an action from the drop-down menu in the upper right corner, followed by clicking the Update button to apply the change. Lastly, the Event Log tab can be used to help track team changes and see who made them. Turning our attention to the navigation menu on the left, you'll find additional settings. Select Teamspace Sharing to find your default settings for quote sharing. Under Teamspace Notifications, you'll find various email notification options. These include notifications for quote status changes, newly shared quotes, order confirmations, shipping notifications, and more. Email notifications can benefit purchasers, project managers, and others responsible for approvals, order placement, and status tracking. Here are some tips to get the most out of Teamspace. You can create and be part of multiple teams. Teams can be dedicated to particular groups or departments within your organization or even specific projects. If you often find yourself sharing quotes with another user, such as a purchaser, consider creating a team to streamline your workflow. Teams can be as large or as small as you need. You can access and switch between dashboards by clicking on the drop-down menu in the upper left of the active dashboard, then selecting another from the list. In addition to sharing quotes and orders, teams can share tooling line items associated with tooled processes, such as injection molding. Selecting the Tools table and clicking on a tool will open its Tool Details page, which offers additional visibility, such as progress tracking and your Xometry point of contact. Clicking the Share button in the upper right will allow you to share the tool and its associated quotes or orders with your teams. You can access additional functions by clicking the three dots along any line item in the Quotes or Order tabs. These functions include copying quotes or orders, downloading PDF versions of quotes, saving order documentation such as packing lists, and more. Now you know everything you need to know about Xometry Teamspace to get started. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your account representative or our support staff. We're happy to help.